Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, thank you. Okay,
How are you, Miss?
I'm fine too.
Yay.
Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray. Start. Pray in. Okay, I want to attendance your name. Please listen carefully.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, I know Rasti Chandra,
Present, Miss.
Aprita,
Yes, Miss.
Olivia Najwa Aslam,
Yes, Miss.
Dea Tonapa,
Yes, Miss.
Nuri,
Present, ma'am.
Dwi Nur Laliza,
Present, Miss.
Nur Dewi,
Present, Miss.
Fatimah Zahra,
Present, Miss.
Nita Anggraini,
Present, Miss.
Nur Huzaifah,
Present, Miss.
Hasriani,
Yes, Miss.
Sunarci,
Present, Miss.
Urbah Mulyana,
Present, Miss.
Widya Nuraziza Yusman.
Present, Miss.
Okay, you are 15 students.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so today we are talking about recall text. Okay.
What is the text?
Okay, before we start, do you know guys what is recall text? Okay. So today we are talking about interaction, types of recall text, structure recall text, and example. Okay, let's move. Okay, recall text is the text with the past experience or even with the purpose of providing information, entertaining, of documenting the event. After you see the introduction, do you know guys what is recall text?
Yes.
After reading
Yes, yes.
so anyone else to give explanation about recall text? Base your mind. One student. Me. Okay.
The context is a text that we tell a story about our experience in the past.
Okay. Experience in past. Okay. Good. Okay. This is types of recall text. The first is personal recall. Personal recall is experience such as vacation or birthday. The second is factual recall. Details factual events such as scientific report or news. Please pay attention.
Yes.
If I say hi, you say hello. Tiga kali ya. Hi. Okay. The third is imaginative recall. An imaginary story or dream. And the last is historical recall. Recalls historical or biographical events.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, this is the structure of recall text. The first is orientation. The second is sequence of events, and the last is resolution. Orientation. Anyone to read this?
Minutes.
Okay, I know.
Okay, so orientation is an introduction that explains who, when, where, and what is happening.
Okay.
Next, second is sequence of events. Sequence of events is a series of events written chronologically. And then the last one is resolution. It is a closing that contains impressions or reflections on the event.
Okay, thank you, Ain.
Yes.
Okay, next is example. Please, Widya Nurasa Yusmi, can you read this?
Oh, yes, miss.
Okay.
For example, title, my vacation to Bali orientation. In January 2025, I went on vacation to Bali with my family. Wow. Sequence of events. On the first day, we arrived at Ngurah Airport and checked into our hotel. On the second day, we visited Kuta Beach and played in the sand. On the third day, we explored the birds and enjoyed local food. The resolution, the vacation was very enjoyable and filled with unforgettable memories.
Okay, after learn about the structure, introduction, and structure, example, and types of recontext. Do you have a question, guys?
I think everything's clear.
Oh, that's clear?
Yes. Your explanation is very good, Miss.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
Let's practice.
Wow.
Ready?
So, Miss. Kacamata, Miss. Oh my God, that's too long.
Last year,
A long
my
time.
family and I went to my
Okay, anyone to read?
Yes.
Begini, readnya to sentence.
Saya semua
No, share. Okay, please Dia first read the two sentences.
Last year, my big family and I went to my uncle's house in Padang. My uncle's house was in Bukit Tinggi. We departed from Bengkulu on Saturday afternoon and arrived at Kota Padang on Sunday at 1 p.m. The first thing that we did when we arrived in Kota Padang was visiting Masjid Raya Sumatera Barat.
We took a train in the top masjid. And after that, we took some pictures of the place with the nice view as the before. We finished our sightseeing in the masjid area at 2 p.m. And after that, we headed to the center of Kota Padang to look for lunch.
After several minutes, we decided to stop at a warung bakso urat. After finishing our lunch, we continue our trip to Bukit Tinggi.
We arrived at my uncle's house in Basel Subdistrict at 10 in the evening.
An extra traffic jam on our way to Basel.
Yeah, it's okay. Our grandmother was waiting in front of the house when we arrived. We parked the car in front of the house and I brought all of our belongings down from the car and took them to our room.
After that, we all had dinner together because our grandmother has prepared so many kinds of delicious food in the kitchen. After finishing our dinner, we went to bed because we were all very tired.
In the morning, I and all of my cousins went out for jogging. We walked around the neighborhood.
We saw an empty mosque in the neighborhood and also saw empty house. None of us was brave enough to get close to those buildings because they seemed creepy.
Next, we can We can go one hundred bricks to my God. We can some pictures in front of the street. Photo. After that, we went back to my uncle's house.
Uncle. Okay.
Uncle Ian.
Okay.
Lihat ini.
When we arrive at the
Ya, silakan kita
Cepat dua.
when we arrive at my uncle's house,
Okay. When we arrived at my uncle's house, we had breakfast together, and after that, one by one of us took a bath because there were only 3 bathrooms in the house. When we were all ready, we went to a tourism place close to my uncle's house and named Sungai
Okay, Jania. The place, yeah.
The place was 5 minutes away from my uncle's house. We had to buy a ticket to enter the place. Inside the place, there was a very large pond. We saw so many giant fish in the pond. We bought some fish food from a merchant inside the location and threw it into the pond so that the giant fish would get closer to us. We took some picture in the location with the pond and the giant fish as the background. There were also so many monkeys in the place. Wow!
Yes. Okay, thank you all. Give applause for your all. Okay. Okay, I want to give you facts about two story.
about the story.
Yeah, based on true story kan?
Oh yes, please, yes.
Oh, ini kan sudah pertama ini dua. Alright. So in English.
Kelompok, Miss. Group.
No.
Individual.
No.
Individual.
Tugas keduanya nanti lalu baik.
Miss,
Sorry kak. Pilih saya yang mana mau?
oh alah,
Buku Arab. Baca dulu. Arab dulu. Siapa yang belum dapat? Bos, berarti saya. Yang mana bos? Kita langsung cek.
events,
events and resolution.
reorientation.
Choose one.
I want to ask Miss.
Yes.
A but B, write and work down the examples of past tense. Sentence. The examples-nya. Berarti sentence. Bisa tulisan where gitu.
Ya.
Miss, berarti I ran ada sentence.
Formnya aja dari sini, formnya aja dari sini.
Ya.
Halo.
Ya, for.
Miss tidak bisa dibantu.
Yes. Don't miss.
Yang mana kalian pilih teks pertama atau cerita kedua?
Don't miss.
Yang ini.
Ini yang pertama apa tadi?
Iya.
Oke.
Di
Oke.
Don't miss.
Kan part A dulu, part A dulu.
Iya.
Yes. Nanti part 2 B-nya.
Dan Miss.
Part A sudah nih kan?
Sudah, Miss.
Oke, itu tanda ini saja. Di sini dimasukin yang kedua deh. Yang pendek iya ini bukan ya. Yes. Apa?
Baca orientation
Yang paragraf pasti.
yang mana yang read yang 234
234.
yang terakhir yang orientation
Teks ini toh besarnya atau belum?
Ya.
Besar nih.
tapi ya itu masalah nomor 1
Number 1 is you choose the paragraph yang memiliki orientation. Gimana di sini orientationnya?
Have done, Miss.
Oke. If you done part A, next part B. Next part B. If you done part A, next part B. Part C lagi.
Ada sini ya?
Ada tapi ini ya.
Berapa, Miss?
Baru tugas dulu nanti kelompok. Siapa yang dapat kunci?
Miss. Gimana itu lagi?
Ini saya mengenai.
Miss.
Ada yang baca?
Yes. Enggak paham ya nanti.
Ya, apa ini? Ayo.
what time connective shape can you give me a example
Yang menentukan waktu. Oke. Yesterday kah, tomorrow kah? Time so? Yang menentukan waktu toh. Bukan berhubungan dengan waktu.
oh berhubungan dengan waktu time thank you
Yes. Siapa yang dapat part C? Kan di part C yang dapat.
Iya, di sini buat ikut ya.
Aduh. Kalau di sini saya ini part C yang dapat. Siapa yang ada part C-nya? Oh, tadi juga ada toh.
Ada semua.
Oh, bisa ada. Yang ada satu enggak? Bacanya paling waktu kayak mau apa dan gantian ada
Betulan ada?
part A, person to part B, and person part C. Okay, part A. Who can answer in front of the class? Part A.
Saya Miss.
Okay, good.
First question. Write down the parts of the recon text below. Orientation. I read, Miss.
Yes, read.
Orientation. My family and I went to my grandmother's house in Yogyakarta last month. It
Okay.
was my first trip to the city. We went there 2 days after my sister's graduation ceremony in Semarang. We arrived at Jogja at night. We spent a week staying in my grandmother's house, which is 5 minutes away by foot to Malioboro Street. Events. In the first morning, we were still too tired after a long trip from Semarang to Yogyakarta. So we decided to stay at home to recharge our energy. I walked around the neighborhood with my sister just to experience how it is like to be in Yogyakarta. There were too many houses, I think, which made the space between a house and the other was so small. Even the road was also small that only bicycle and motorcycle can go through. On the second day, all of us went to Malioboro Street. We saw many merchants with various products which they claim to be traditional product of Yogyakarta. I bought some wooden figurine and t-shirt with the word Yogyakarta
on it, while my sister brought some leather handbag. My mom and dad were busy choosing some merchandise to be brought home when we go back. On the third day, we went to Taman Sari and Keraton Yogyakarta, to see some historical building in Yogyakarta. We took a lot of pictures there. We also took some picture of the building so we can check it again at home. We found some place providing Jogja traditional food around the building and we jumped in right away. Reorientation. We spent the rest of our week in Yogyakarta by visiting some shopping malls such as Jogja City Mall, Malioboro Mall, Hartama Mall, and Amber Malls Plaza. We realized that Yogyakarta turned out to be very warm during the day. That was the reason why we decided to spend more time in our traditional building like this.
Okay, another student part A. Nothing? Okay, next part B. Video dulu.
So be first.
Yes.
The instruction is find and write down key examples of past experience from the text above. So I just
Picture one or picture
family holiday.
family holiday. Okay, picture one ya. Begini. Okay.
So my first example that I get, I went to my uncle's hometown in Padang.
Okay.
The second, we arrived at my uncle's house. And the last is, we saw an empty nasi.
Okay. Give applause to Widya. Okay, next one please. Part B toh? Part C. Oh C, okay.
Okay, part C, find and write down the examples of time connected from the textbook. The first, last month, I studied Mandarin language. 2 days after my sister's graduation ceremony, my family and I went to Surabaya to take vacation.
Okay. Okay. Next is group discussion. Group 1 5 students. Jadi ini mau group 1 jadi. Okay, group 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Yes. Justina di sini kelompok. Ini
What is the next one?
Nomor 2.
Archie and
Group 1, you choose text 1 or text 2?
Text 1 and text 2.
Text 2, this is.
Yes.
Group 2, you choose future.
Yang satunya
Si Sahabi.
alright. We are going so much. Let us get
Family holiday in Padang. Group 2, bisa Okay. Group 3, you choose future 1 or.
Ini yang 3 juga Miss. Yang 3 juga Miss.
Oh, itu PM. Baca baik-baik. Ngomong apa?
No, there's no words for
Dan Miss.
Wait a minute. Have done, guys. Group 1.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, miss. Group 2.
Yes, Miss.
Oh, not yet. Group 3.
Yes, Miss. Give me 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Oh,
3 minutes.
Give me
Okay, group 1. I have done. Yes, time is yours.
Group discussion. Discuss with your group of friends. What is the message or impression of the story? After read this story, we have discussed that we know in Jogja there was Jogja City Mall, Malioboro Mall, Hartono Mall, and Ambar Mall Plaza. So have you ever had a similar experience? Tell us about it briefly. Yes, we have. But from our discussion, it took from my experience.
Keep silence.
When I was in my college, every year we come back to our house. So when during comeback, we have trip every last year of semester. Then we trip to Jatim Park 1. Wow. We drove racing car which has very racing. That's all.
Okay, enough.
Yes, thank you, Miss.
Please face.
Which one is the best?
My professor has
Wait, The impression of the story our discuss is the story gives the experience have fun holiday with family. And number 2, we don't have specific experience like the story, but when weekend we sometimes go the
1 and 2. Please give applause. Okay. Thank you guys for your participation.
Yes, miss.
today. Okay.
Yes, miss.
So next, the thumb form. Next, the thumb form. I think 100 to 115 based on your personal experience. Pay attention to following one. Use the structure of orientation, events, and realization. And the second, use past tense and adverbs of time. And the last is create interesting and creative story. Okay, thank you guys for your participation today. Thank you for your participation. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.